Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host, Surinaya, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners interview series. So, we have started to discuss the printing of the patterns using the nested for loops. We have done a few questions already. Today, we are going to do yet another program from the very same topic, and it will be a very cool continuation from the last video that we have seen. So if you have not watched the last video before coming to this one, it would be amazing if you watch those two videos first before you get started with this one. It'll give you a much easier understanding of what we are going to do in this one. Otherwise, it'll just feel like magic, but it is not. Cool. So let's get started. So the program is simple here. It says all you need to do is print 1 for 1 time, 2 for 2 times, 3 for 3 times, 4 for 4 times, 5 for 5 times. Mind you, a few things that I would like to also mention is that 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 like this. So if you have watched the previous videos, you might realize that the number of lines actually come from the outside loop, which is I. And this value, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, these values actually come from J loop. Right? So here I want to only print one value. If I is 1, we only want to print one value, meaning we will run the loop only up till I again, just like what we have done in the previous program. Right? Similarly, here I is 2. So let me do it a little, in a little tiny manner. This looks really bad. So, achha, let's see. So see here, for example, let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the line number, okay, which is also I. So let me go ahead and make some lines here. Okay. So this is I values, and this side I'll be writing J values. So when I is 1, right, J goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us say N is equals to 4. So J is going from 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, when I is 2, J is again going 1, 2, 3, 4. When I is 3, J is going 1, 2, 3, 4. When I is 4, J is going 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this, we would write the for loop, which will look something like this. For int I is equals to 1, and because I is also going 1, 2, 3, 4 times, I less than equals to 4, and then I plus plus. And for inside, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for int j equals 1, j less than equals 4, and j plus plus. Of course, we'll have to be printing j because we are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll print a new line, PLN, right? Stop the for of I. This is what we will get. However, right. Oh, by the way, I should not have written 4. Instead, I should have written n in both cases because I've taken n as 4. Right? Now, here, what I'm saying is I do not want j for 4 times. I only want j, let's say, for 1 time. I don't want this. I do not want this. So I want basically something of this sort. So 3 will be here, something of this sort. Right? So when I is 1, j should also be printing till 1. When I is 2, j should be printing till 2. When I is 3, j should be printing till 3. And when I is 4, j should be printing till 4. The only difference here will be that instead of printing the j loop till n, I will only print it up till I. That is all. Now, instead, I want the exact same thing. So, because I cannot be writing the entire thing again and again, so I'll just copy this and I'll paste it. So let us suppose that I also want something of this sort, that I do not want 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I instead want something of this sort. 1, I want 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. So when I is 1, J is printing 1 for one time. When I is 2, J is printing 2 for two times. So here the only difference will be that I will be printing the I value loop instead of J. Right? And that's exactly what this program is also about. So let's go ahead and write it in the Eclipse as well and see what happens. This is the program that we have already done in the last video, and this is how it runs. Let me change the n value to 5. As you can see, the I loop runs from 1 till n, meaning it will run 1 till 5. There will be 5 lines. The J loop is supposed to run from 1 till I, meaning it will run till from 1 till whatever is the value of I at that point. So if I is 1, J will run till 1 times. If I is 2, J will run for 2 times. If I is 3, J will run for 3 times. If I is 4, J will run for 4 times, and so on. Now, here I am printing star, but instead of that, let us suppose I print J. So in that case, I will get 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So because J, for the first time it is running only up till 1, the second time it is running up till 2, the third time it is running up till 3, the fourth time it is running up till 4, and the fifth time it is running up till 5. Now, instead of printing J, if I print I will get 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. So let us save this, and boom. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. So because for the Dryrun, I'm going to make the n as 3 and explain you the Dryrun. Right? So here we are. Let us copy this, come back here, go back to the whiteboard and paste our code. So let's scroll up here. Okay. This is a little too big, so I'm going to go ahead and decrease the size, probably this much. So here n is equals to 3, so n is 3. Then we have I is 1. Then of course the condition is true because it is supposed to go up till 3. J, then it will go inside, and inside there is another for loop for the J. So J will be 1. It will go up till I, meaning it will go up till only 1. Okay? So when J is less than or equals to I, the condition is true, it will print I. So output I is supposed to be printed. I is 1 right now, so 1 will be printed. Okay, again J will become 2 because J plus plus, but the condition is false because J is not less than or equals to I. It is greater, right? J is 2, I is 1, J is greater than I. So of course the condition will be false. It will come here and it will go to the next statement, print a new line, meaning the blinker will come here. Next, it will go back to the for of I loop, and in the I loop, I plus plus will happen, I will become 2. Now, it will check the condition, 2 less than or equals to n. Yes, it is less than 3, so it will go inside again, and now the J loop will run from 1 till I. Okay, because we understand, so 1 till 2, right? However, what we want to print is we want to print I. So when I is 1, J will print 2 because we want to print I. When J is 2, again it will print 2 for 2 times. Next time again I will become here and I will become 3, right? So J is supposed to run for 3 times, and this time since it is supposed to print I value is 3, so it will print 3 for 3 times. And that's the reason how, that's the way how we are able to get 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and so on. I hope this pattern is understood. It is actually very, very easy if you understand the logic behind it. All you need to do is think as to what is changing, or what should be printed in order to get the required pattern. there will be several other programs that we are going to do with regards to the printing of different patterns. So please stay tuned. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.